to respond to 41426 Dogwood Lane for the report of smoke coming out of a roof and a back porch on fire. Polson City Fire, Polson Rural Fire 429. Need you to respond 41447 Dogwood Lane for the report of smoke coming from a roof and a back porch on fire. 429, clear at 1251.
429 Rural Fire, copy page.
Acknowledging.
1251.
Just when we spoke to the caller, we said it.
Cover 1252. 49301.
One.
I'll be en route.
Copy, en route 1252.
429 2302.
2302.
Show me en route.
En route 1253. Units responding, be advised that the reporting party is going to be the next door neighbor. Homeowners are not home at this time. She's reporting seeing smoke coming from the roof in the kitchen area in the back porch on fire. Does see active flames. Advised that there is propane ran to the house and she has a...
49301, I copy direct. Operating channel for this will be channel red when we arrive.
I copy at 1253.
429 roll 303.
303.
I'm en route, 1 block away. We'll give you a size up in a moment.
I copy.
Polson Ambulance 214, need to respond in stage near Melita Island Lane and Dogwood Lane for a structure fire. Polson Ambulance 214, need to respond in stage near Dogwood Lane and Melita Island Lane for a structure fire. 214 clear at 1254.
703 acknowledges, we'll be en route.
Copy, 54. 703, 191 available.
Copy, 706, thank you. 429 2301.
2301.
I'll be en route.
I copy, you're en route at 1255.
Rural 303.
303.
2-story, common construction, single-family dwelling. Heavy smoke from the eaves and from the vent on the end of the kitchen. We'll be out taking a look.
I copy at 1257. 1259.
2311.
2311.
2311 is en route, 4 on board.
I copy, en route 1259.
429, rural 310.
310.
I'll be en route, Melita Island area.
I copy, you're en route 1259.
05, Steve, dispatch.
This fire's on the back side of the house. It started from the exterior into the roof. I put what fire extinguisher I had with me. It slowed down. We need a structure engine and a tender here as soon as possible.
1300, dispatch clear.
D10.
You will have to force entry.
1301.
429 2302.
2302.
Show me on scene.
Copy, you're on scene at 1301.
429-301, same traffic.
I copy, 1301.
2301 on scene also.
1301. I copy at 1302.
429 2301.
2301.
Just advising all incoming units as they get closer to the scene, especially on the Melita Island Road, it gets pretty icy, so just be advised.
I copy at 1303.
429-308. 429-308.
308.
Tender 308 en route, 2 on board.
I copy at 1304.
Command 318, can you repeat your traffic, please?
429-328.
Last unit on 429.
328 en route, 1 on board.
Driveway, pulling in 3/4 out Charlie side, the rest is static. We're just coming through at curve 310 on 429.
Go ahead, 310.
Well, you know, these tenders aren't going to do good on ice, so I don't know if we need to have a person making sure we're getting in there safe. Yeah, 10-4, go ahead, just continue into the scene. You should be fine. Operations on red.
All right, copy that.
For 2311. I copy, grab a ladder, 318, bring a pack crew. We are just turning on Melita Island Road right behind your guys'.
429, 313.
313.
We're en route with 2.
I copy en route, 1310.
And 318's arriving on scene.
I copy, you're on scene at 1310.
29, 2311.
2311.
On scene.
On scene at 1312. 328.
3112 also.
I copy, 1312.
214, 703.
703.
You can show stage in the area for this fire.
I copy, staged at 1340.
29, 326.
Go ahead.
326 has got one on board en route to Melita Drive.
Copy, 326 en route.
429, Dogwood Command.
Dogwood Command.
Requesting MVP if they're not on the way.
That's where they've been notified.
Copy, thank you.
1315.
750.
1810.
Yes. Dogwood Lane.
I have 1315.
429, 308 on scene.
308 on scene at 1316.
29, roll 310.
310.
I'll be arriving on scene here off of Dogwood.
On scene at 1318.
Dogwood 310.
429, 313.
313.
313 on scene.
Anybody have a thermal? Here, let me tell
I copy, you're on scene at 1320.
Stage in there.
All the way into their driveway?
Yeah, maybe just back up. Maybe we'll just go from the road here.
429, Dogwood Command.
Dogwood Command.
At this time, we have a good stop on this fire. Stop loss.
I copy, 1322.